Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarange and today's video topic is rapper classes, and today's date is 27th December 2021. Let's discussing about the rapper classes. What is a rapper classes and why it is needed in Java programming language. Um, Java is an object oriented language. Object oriented language. Oriented contains the object of a objects. In the Java, there is a primitive values, but object oriented programming in object oriented programming language, the objects are required. That's why we can use the um, objects by with the help of wrapper classes. Wrapper classes it What is the wrapper classes? Wrapper classes is the mechanism to converting the primitive data types into the objects, and these objects also can be converted into the primitive data types. uh, primitive data types uh, Primitive data types. Before the version 1.4, we cannot change these primitive data types into wrapper classes, and these wrapper classes into primitive data types directly or automatically. But we can using the yeah, but we can using the value of but we can using the value of a method, we can change this primitive data type into wrapper classes explicitly, and the bits can be converted into the primitive data types by using the XX value of a method explicitly by the programmer. In a 1.4 version, until the 1.4 version. um, after the version after the version 5.0, Java 5.0, it can be done automatically by the compiler. By the compiler um, by the compiler by the compiler. That is these conversions, that is a primitive data type converts into the objects, and objects are converted into the primitive data types, is done by the JVM or compiler automatically. um, Automatically from the 1.5 version of a Java. There are two different mechanisms in wrapper classes, that is auto boxing and auto unboxing. What is auto boxing? Auto boxing means when we want to convert the primitive data types into the wrapper classes by using the into the wrapper classes is automatically by the compiler, is known as auto boxing. This is done automatically. This is done automatically in a Java 5.0 version onwards. This is known as auto boxing. Before the until the 1.4 version, we can explicitly convert these methods, primitive data types into wrapper classes. Wrapper classes by using the value of a method. Uh, and next is a auto unboxing. What is auto unboxing? When we converts the uh, when we convert the wrapper objects into primitive data types, this is known as auto unboxing. This is done automatically by the JVM or compiler in a Java 5.0 version, but in a Java 1.4 version, it requires the explicitly using the XX value of method. These are wrapper classes, and thank you.